It's an unboxing. We got this from my guy Justin of Art of Man Clothing. But if you look at it, he got customized tape. That's fire, bro. I like that touch. I'm getting some premium. That's what this feel like, premium. So we're going to head and open that up. All right.
It's nice.
A nice snapback. All right, so we got Art of Man. You see, you got the little chest piece. All right, I guess that's the king. Man, bro, this hat hard, bro. Yeah, Justin. We got a nice little pen. Man, he going crazy with the branding, man. LA Heartbreak said, I'm about to go buy some. Yeah, man, you got to go cop, man. Y'all make sure y'all go support and go buy. Oh, man. Ooh, look at that, boy. You see me? But hold on. Y'all ain't even seen the whole thing. That's clean. Hey, y'all ain't seen clean yet, though. Hold on now. Yeah. 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 My dog son went crazy with it, bro.
I like that a lot.
Hey, bro. This thing went crazy, Jay. I love it, man. Yeah, I'm Art of Man, shout it straight up, bro. I appreciate that, Jay.
Says, I am a member of an elite group of distinguished, intelligent, respectful, confident, and benevolent men who identify as kings.
I just like the deepness of that gold.
Yeah.
And it's the back, man. You know what I'm saying? If we look at that, you know, that starts to really describe what the brand is about on the back. You know what I'm saying? Messaging, okay? Different color. We got black. We got the royal blue. And then it says, advance to your destiny. So like advancing with the chest piece. You know what I'm saying? Advance to your destiny. All this is hard, bro. Wifey got the blue and white.
And it says Art of a Woman.
And it go hard. It got the Art of a Woman. So let me hold up, man. We're gonna
be twins.
We're gonna wear this out together, man. We're gonna take this on date night. Art of Man, Art of Woman. If y'all got married couple, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is y'all do, y'all need to get these. Art of Man, Art of Woman. We got the king piece and the queen piece. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like that.
I love it, man.